In this session, I want to discuss something about syllables. What are the syllables and why this syllable is very important? And why and what is the use of these syllables? That's the thing. Syllables are especially the vowels, that means the sound of the vowels A, E, I, O, U. These are five vowels, and syllables are the sound of these five vowels. That means sound, not the letters, alphabets are there. The sounds of these vowels are called syllables. And if you are aware of the syllables in a word, you can pronunciate the word very clearly, and when someone will be listening, or any person, the other person will listen to you very clearly and understand. That's the thing. Now, point is, what is the example of this syllable and how to use these syllables in our speaking? This matters. Okay, so you see, when, for example, you take a word like umbrella. Okay, umbrella. Here you see three syllables are there. U, A, we are telling. Then B, R, E, A. A is there. Not you count is E. This was the sound of the vowel. And double L, A. Though you can see the vowels are there, but there are three syllables. But you don't count the vowels, you count the sound of the vowels here. So three sound are coming. A, again the next A is coming. Okay, so there is three syllables. Another example you can see, beautiful. Here you see Beautiful, beautiful. So Beau, here is three vowels are there, but these three vowels are sound just one. U, Bu, Eau, three syllables, three vowels are there. Three vowels are there, but we are using only one syllable. That means U syllable is there. So don't count the vowels, you just count the sound. Okay. Bu, T, Ti, then E is coming. So second vowel, second syllable is there, is coming. Next, full, Ful, okay. So there are also three syllables. You can see so many vowels are there, are E, A, U, then I and U. That means five vowels are there, but there will be three syllables. That means sound are coming only three. Three vowel sound, that means sound is coming. Okay. Next, you can see immunity. You see, immunity. Immunity, when you see, now you can understand one thing more here. I, then you, then an I, and ty. Four syllables are there. You can see, you can ask me, then y is not a vowel, so you can't y as a syllable. Yes, my dears, you, yes, you are right, you are correct. So the thing is there, y is not a vowel, but the sound of y comes in vowel. You see, y, that means immunity, e is there. So sometimes when the y is coming, then we have to admit it in four